How to delete YouTube account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can delete your YouTube account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are a couple of things you have to understand here. Are you talking about deleting a YouTube account which comes from your Google account? So to delete your YouTube account you have to delete your whole Google account, or are you talking about deleting only your YouTube channel? What are you really talking about? If you have a channel and you'd like to delete it, or whether you want to delete your YouTube account only. So first let's get started with the first one, which is to delete only your YouTube account, or also known as a Google account. To do this, you can just go ahead and make sure to launch the YouTube application here. Tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, then go to manage your Google account. When you come to manage your Google account, what you want to do is you want to simply see this type of interface. So just go to data and privacy. Once you come to data and privacy, scroll down to the bottom, you'll find the option called delete your Google account. So this will basically delete your YouTube as well as all the Google services that you have, such as Google Photos and so on, because we're deleting our Google account. But if you are only talking about deleting your YouTube channel, then in that case you want to simply open your browser, go to studio.youtube.com. I'll make sure to drop a link, sign into your YouTube account or channel. Then over here from the bottom left, which is going to be at the bottom left, you want to tap this little gear icon. It'll take you to settings, where you want to go to channel option. Once you go to channel, just go to advanced settings. When you go to advanced settings, scroll down, you should be able to find this option called remove YouTube content. Tap on it, verify, and your channel will also get deleted. So it really boils down to whether you're talking about you want to delete your YouTube channel, or whether you're talking about whether you want to only delete your YouTube account, aka also your Google account. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.